Hey, are you dying to know one of the nature's greatest secrets for radiant, glowing, healthy looking skin? There is a certain saturated hydrocarbon that's on trend these days. And the reason for why happens to be what we're going to be discussing in today's video. As we look at the benefits of using Squalane, what it is, what it does, and how to use it to achieve the glowing skin you've always wanted. That's what I always wanted. You know that song? Hi, I'm Squalane Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so the human body has its own inbuilt system for keeping your skin hydrated. But it doesn't get on particularly well with that enemy of ours, all Father Time. As you may already know, our skin produces sebum, and in that sebum is where we find the oily lipid squalane, which makes up about 10 to 12% of our skin's oil. This fantastic magical substance is responsible for keeping your skin smooth and moisturized. In our teens, squalane production is at its peak, but as you know, as we get older, the production of this precious lipid slows down. And we see its decline when we are in our 20s, early 30s. And after these years, well, we can expect drier skin, which is why we end up turning to external moisturizers. But it's not only in our skin cells that you can find squalane. You can also find it occurring naturally in eggs, certain fish, plant oils like olives, and what else? Rice bran, sugar cane, and in deep water shark livers. Shark liver, though it's not very, environmentally friendly. That being said, right, like most of the products that contain squalane today are sourced from plants. Squalane is also used in a variety of things like health foods, supplements, medicines, and even some of the COVID-19 vaccines, I believe, have squalane. Okay, but we're most interested, right, like in how it's used when it comes to skincare, right? Here is the thing. When creating skincare products, squalane from plants and animals tend to be unstable because it quickly goes rancid when it's exposed to oxygen. That's the problem. So squalane has to be transformed from unsaturated oil to saturated oil. And how do we do that? Using a process called hydrogenation. Okay, without going into the details, squalane is hydrogenated to make the molecules more stable. And that process will also make the oil more skin friendly and will also increase the shelf life of whatever product is used in. As you know, you can find squalane in a ton of skincare products, like for example, anti-aging creams, moisturizers, in your lip gloss, and even in your sunscreen. However, be aware that different manufacturing process in the cosmetic industry can use squalane from either a natural source or from a synthetic origin. Now, I would say that both work equally and both are okay, but natural derived squalane is favored in the industry because the production of synthetic squalane has a greater ecological impact on the planet. So, it's a good thing to know. So if you can choose, I would say go for naturally derived squalane. Now, how does squalane work and what benefits does it have for your skin? Well, first things first, a healthy skin is a hydrated skin, right? And that's where squalane comes in. First, squalane works as an antioxidant, which helps you reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it will help you protect your skin from pollution and environmental stressors, right? Like working or helping you strengthen your skin's natural barrier. So Squalane has antioxidant properties plus hydrating properties. And that's what gives you this soft baby skin. Listen, Squalane provides just the right amount of moisture because it's similar to your own skin's oil. And even better, yes, as it naturally occurs in your body, right? Like it's happening in your body anyway. Well, that's the reason why you are not left with a heavy or greasy feeling that you may find in other moisturizers. Now, if you ask me, all this sounds pretty much like hyaluronic acid, right? True, there are some similar benefits, but while you can find both naturally occurring in the human body, they don't do the same job. Hyaluronic acid will increase your skin's water content by hydrating your cells. On the other hand, Squalane acts like a barrier to lock in moisture, and that will keep your skin hydrated at a cellular level, right? So this means that you can totally use both together, and because they will work in tandem, right? Again, one will draw in moisture to the skin and the other one will lock in your moisture. So I would say that for best results, you can start using, you can start with hyaluronic acid, especially if you are new to the beauty game. But if you are 30, 35 and up, chances are that you are not new to the beauty game. You know this. Anyway, Squalane also works great with other active ingredients like retinol and vitamin C because Squalane contains fatty acids that will help you nourish your skin, right? So it will soothe any redness that you may have from using retinol, for example, and it will help you fight inflammation as well. So yes, it's a good combo with retinol and vitamin C. Oh my God. And here is the thing, right? Like Squalane not only is very gentle in your skin, but it will brighten up your complexion. It will help you fade the look of dark spots. I mean, like love, love, love. Okay, so now you may be wondering, what type of skin does Squalane work best with? And the answer is all of them. But to find out how it works with each skin type, let's break it down.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss.
Okay, so one of the reasons why Squalane is great for different skin types is because it's non-comedogenic. So you can use it with, oily skin, and also because it's naturally derived. I think there is no allergy known to Squalane, which means that it's hypoallergenic. So you can use it in very sensitive skin and acne-prone skin. If you are interested, by the way, in finding a great product, clean, you can go for Biossance. They have a Squalane plus vitamin C and rose oil product that is very good, and the smell is delicious. It's vegan, non-toxic, paraben-free, synthetic, fragrance-free. It's lightweight, and you will have a brighter, firmer, and super hydrated skin. By the way, the Damascus rose petal extract in that product smells divine. Now, for oily skin types, Squalane can help you control your natural oil production because of its ability to mimic your skin's own oil. So your skin may stop overproducing oil. You are essentially tricking your skin into producing less oil, so it all balances out nicely. And this product, this ingredient, works just as effectively for dry skin. Squalane has anti-inflammatory properties that are perfect for dry skin because it will also help you, soothe some redness. You can also use it if you have dermatitis, rosacea, psoriasis. It's very, very gentle on your skin. I would say that Squalane is considered safe overall, and it's even you can use it even if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. That being said, pay attention. If you are, I would say, under 20 or above 20, but you have extremely oily skin or acne prone skin, you have to be careful, right, when using Squalane, because you can be putting too much oil on your skin. As I said before in other videos, I'm in my 40s, I have oily, I would say now it's more of a combo skin, and I never put oil in my skin. I don't like it. So it's your call. And by the way, comment below if you are getting good benefits from using Squalane in your skin type. I want to know. Also, if you want to start using acids, or if you want to know more about acids, go to my website beautybycode.com. You can take the quiz and you will find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Okay, now back to Squalane. Squalane is not only for your skin, your hair can benefit too, because it has restorative properties that work in your hair by forming like this soft film that will coat and smooth the hair fiber, and it will protect your hair from dehydration. So this film, it feels like a silky dry, and it's low on oil, and the result that you're going to see in your hair is smoother, shinier, and more voluminous hair. Squalane will also protect your hair from heat, and it will kind of strengthen your hair. It will help you prevent breakage by enhancing your hair's elasticity. I mean, like seriously, if you are not using Squalane, now it's the right time. And all you have to do, for example, in your hair is just use, a couple of drops of Squalane oil, do a nice relaxing massage, and then you rinse it off. And that's it, voila! Okay, so if you are in the hunt for a new moisturizer to help your skin and your hair, then I think that you should sit up and take note of Squalane. Hey, so thank you for being here with me today. I wish you a happy and awesome, gorgeous day. Bye for now.